How do skateboard truck washers prevent damage? Imagine cruising down the street and feeling your skateboard respond perfectly to every turn. That smooth control depends on many parts working together, especially the trucks. Today, we're talking about a small but mighty part called skateboard truck washers and how they help keep your setup in top shape. When you tighten the kingpin nut, it presses down on the bushings, which are the rubbery parts that help you turn smoothly. Without washers, the kingpin nut can press directly into the bushings, causing them to wear out faster or even crack. This can make your trucks feel loose or unresponsive, and over time, it could lead to damage that's costly to fix. There are two main types of washers used in skateboarding trucks. Flat washers are simple, thin metal discs that sit between the bushings and the kingpin nut. They help spread out the pressure evenly, so the bushings don't get crushed or deformed. Cupped washers are shaped like small cups or bowls. They hold the bushings more firmly in place and limit how much they can move when you turn or land tricks. Choosing between flat or cupped washers depends on how tight you want your trucks to feel and how much maneuverability you need. When you tighten the kingpin nut with washers in place, they act as a buffer. They prevent the nut from directly pressing into the bushings, which can cause damage over time. By distributing the pressure evenly, washers stop the bushings from getting crushed or blown out. This keeps the bushings in their proper shape longer, maintaining your truck's responsiveness. Washers also help keep the bushings seated correctly on the kingpin, so your skateboard turns smoothly and consistently. Regularly inspecting your washers and bushings is a good habit. If washers are worn or damaged, replacing them is quick and inexpensive. This simple step can prevent more serious damage to your trucks and extend their lifespan. Proper use of washers also allows you to fine-tune how your trucks feel. By adjusting the washers, you can make your skateboard more stable or more responsive, depending on your riding style. In short, skateboard truck washers prevent damage by acting as a protective barrier between the kingpin nut and the bushings. They help distribute pressure evenly, keep the bushings in the right position, and improve overall truck performance. Taking care of these small parts means your skateboard will stay in better shape longer, giving you more control and confidence every time you ride.